You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this character from Powerless. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, you found the right channel. I've got tons more coming up for you at the end of this video. The good news is I've got the author of the book herself saying the name, so we can listen to her saying it. Lauren Roberts herself.
I'm working on Paedyn, my female main character right now.
Did you hear this? She said, I'm working on Paedyn is how to pronounce it. So it's not Paedyn or Paedyn. Paedyn. Paedyn, with a stress on the first syllable. Easy once you know Paedyn, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.